Hello and welcome everyone. As you might remember me, I'm Prachi Bhandatya and I do content writing at Ufizio. This week I'm back again with the third episode of our podcast series. And today I have Mr. Atik Vashi with me. Mr. Vashi works with our customer support team, and as I've always mentioned, it's great to have a conversation with these guys because they absolutely know the ins and out of our system. Like they do add-ons, integration, deal with client needs, and above all, they have experienced views on how to overcome any glitches of our platform. So, to our platform users, you're gonna have a really informative session. So, thank you, and let's get started.
Yes, thanks, Prachi.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really excited to be here
Yeah.
because today we are going to discuss a very important feature of our solution, which is job module.
You know, I'm gonna ask it.
Yeah.
Why did you call it the most important feature? What makes you think that?
It is most important, at least in my opinion, because apart from the track and trace solutions,
Right.
it provides analytics to optimize your business operations. Okay, so it provides, it can create tasks, it generates reports. It's a smart solution,
Right.
so that you just have to configure and you just have to sit back and relax. System
Okay.
does the work for you.
Yeah. I just like that. Like the system is doing the work on my behalf. I mean, it sounds like it'll save a lot of time.
Exactly.
Precious business time, which is always great because you can focus on things that really matter. And also when you were saying that the system does all the work, I was thinking IoT. Like this is the IoT
Yeah.
zone. Like this is the Internet of Things. It's the best that telematics can do, and I think it's really important for us to let our users know that we're more than track and trace. We do IoT. We're an entire ecosystem of solutions. Like, don't you think so?
Yes, absolutely. Actually, we can define in a single word, like our job module is a virtual secretary or a virtual fleet manager, we can say.
That's very well put.
Yeah.
Like, I agree. I mean, just like a secretary, it's designing your schedules, it's designing trips, it's designing your workflow, giving you insights into productivity. And I just feel like it's gonna do a better job than a human secretary.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Like it will work even on a Sunday. So before we go ahead, just want to point out that I think this is one of the most advanced feature I've discussed with anyone in this series. So kudos to that. But like, I don't want to be biased. I don't want to oversell the job module yet.
Hmm.
So I do want to dial it down, and like I want you to get back to the nitty gritties. Like, what can I do with the job module? What can I achieve? What are the functionalities of this feature?
Okay. Where do I start actually? Like for a business involved in delivery system, okay, so that needs, like, you need to create, you need to add checkpoints, you
Right.
need to create drivers and vehicle details, and you have to schedule the task.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, you can schedule the future tasks as well.
Right.
Okay, that's all. And after that, system comes into the picture.
Okay.
Okay, so system will take care of all the aspects, like whether your driver is absent, the vehicle is in maintenance.
Right.
Okay, so it will assign tasks by considering all these points.
Mhm.
Okay. In addition, it can generate violation reports, violation notifications, like whether the driver has visited assigned points or not. Okay, so that you will get all the notifications by observing the trips.
Right. But like, what if I want to create a job which doesn't happen every day? Like, what do I do for that?
Okay, you can create temporary job as well. Like
Okay.
temporary tasks you can create, and you can define your desired start and end time.
Okay.
So that is also available.
So it just expires after the design.
Yeah, it expires.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
for my regular everyday task, we have one-time definition, and the system does the
It
work.
has so much flexible configuration modules,
Yeah.
so that it can fit with any business need.
Right. And I think not just the job module, like all our system features, the dashboard, the live tracking screen, everything is really dynamic, and like I really like that about
Yes,
our,
yes,
our
exactly.
TM. Who thought of this? Like, how did we come? How did we think about a job module?
Well, actually, it came into the existence because of our customers only,
Okay, yeah.
as usual.
Yeah.
But earlier, we started providing solution with the dairy technology, and in that it was very time-consuming task for them. They were really getting tired by creating milk trips,
Every
defining
day, yeah.
collection routes and everything. Then we provided solution for our student transport management system, the
Okay.
school bus
A
solution.
smart bus?
Yeah, smart
bus,
bus. Yes, exactly. Okay, so in that also let's consider if there are 300 to 400 children
In a school.
bike, and we have to assign pick up
And drop.
and drop points
Yeah.
for them. Okay, and apart from that, we have to consider like whether the student is present or absent,
Or like a half day,
yeah. So
or like exams, or
Yeah.
like it's really
Exactly.
complicated.
So
you know?
it will be very difficult for the bus managers to do this task.
Yeah.
Then we thought that like in each and every business needs what is common. It's defining task and everything.
Everything.
So we came up with this solution, job module,
Right.
that can fit with any business need.
Right, and like all the tedious part of like planning a trip or like planning stoppages, or like making sure delivery routes are on time. It's so tedious. Like who wants to sit there and monitor that all day?
Exactly.
And like even if you're hiring someone to do that for you, it's just it's not going to be accurate. Like
Yeah,
a
it's
system,
but natural. If there is human intervention, then it is definitely he is going to do
It's
mistake.
prone to error, yeah,
But if
absolutely.
it is system is doing the same, it is not going
It's
to
not, yeah.
make mistakes.
I think we've pretty much talked about everything. But before you go, I wanna ask a personal question, and like I wanna know what's your favorite feature about the job module.
It's very difficult actually because there are lot of features. I cannot list any one.
Okay.
But if you are asking, there are two. I will say.
You,
First is
you'll do a concession for me and select only two.
okay, so first is like the creation of job from the playback. Okay,
Okay.
so there is a single click option available to create your history playback to assign as a job.
Okay.
Okay, and the second is our job
So
configuration.
wait, you're saying I don't even have to enter destination name or
No, nothing. If
Okay.
if you just have a history playback of a vehicle, you simply have to check the
Click.
same and create the job with the same points
Wait.
in a single click.
That's
Okay.
so convenient.
Yeah, and the second one is our job configuration
Right.
module, which is too much flexible. We can say that it can fits with any
Every
business need. Yes.
Yeah, I mean that like we've made it clear, and like I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
we're saying this again and again because it's true, right? It's like every business has this certain set of needs, and we've identified those needs, and we have solutions based on that. And even with them, we're constantly customizing. So I think it's just great that we do that. Like
Yeah.
we go the distance so that you get the best services, and I can't stress that enough. So this was a really great session. Like I think for like a 10-minute podcast, we covered a lot. So I want to thank you for talking, and I want to
See you
thank
too.
all my listeners for taking the time to listen to us. We really appreciate you doing that. I'll be back as I always am with another episode. So stay tuned.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.